Now I hit record. Almost forgot. All right, so we're recording for our digital students. We're going over slope-intercept form and standard form. Come on in. For slope-intercept, y equals mx plus b. Go ahead, write that down. You getting a pencil? All right. Y equals mx plus b. We're going to go into greater detail in the next couple days about what everything means, okay? Really the focus on is just the order of everything, of the y, of the x, and the b, okay? All right, so standard form. Okay? Standard form is ax plus by equals c. Okay? So the m, the b, the a, the b, the c, they're all variables. Okay? I'm sorry, they're all the numbers. All right? The x and the y is going to stay the same. Okay? So all those letters stand for numbers. Okay? So this one right here, this first one, y equals 1/2 x plus 7. What form is that in? Slope-intercept. Good. How do you know it's in slope-intercept? What's the difference? What's the biggest difference between these two?
Y.
Right? It starts with y. That's right. Okay? So it's going to be y equals. Okay? That's the giveaway. If you've got a number with an x, that's going to be standard form. Okay? So this first one, here's what we're supposed to do here. We got to identify each of the following equations as slope-intercept or standard form. If it's in standard form, we're converting it to slope-intercept form. So that's what this whole lesson's about. Okay? We're going to do a Kahoot here in a second on it, and then you're going to do a worksheet later on it. Okay? That's really all we're focusing on. Can you identify slope-intercept? Can you identify standard form? And then if it's standard, we got to get it to slope. Okay? So y'all help me. We know this first one, right? We're good on this first one. That's slope. What's this one? Standard, right? Standard. See how it starts with a number then x? Okay? So now, we've been doing those linear equations, okay? That should help you with this. How do we get standard form to slope-intercept form? We need to move something. What do we need to move? The x. Good. How can we move the x? What do we need to do? Subtract. So I'm going to subtract what? Going to subtract 8x, right? Okay. From both sides. Y'all with me? Okay. So I'm going to cross it out from this side. Now I'm going to rewrite. Okay. Now let's go back to slope-intercept form real quick. Recognize the order. Let me move it. There you go. Y equals mx plus b. We got to get it in that order. So if I'm going to get it in that order, okay, over here, I've got a negative 8x and I've got a 14, right? So which one do I need to write first? Negative 8x, right? So negative 8x plus 14. All right. We've got everything in its order, okay? It's in the right order for slope-intercept, but we got to get y by itself. How do we do that? Divide by 2, right? We're going to divide every part by 2 here, okay? So it's going to cross out right there. So I'm going to get y equals, what's it going to be? Negative 8 divided by 2. What do I got? Huh? Negative 8 divided by 2. Negative 4x, right? Make y'all work today. 14 divided by 2. 7. There you go. Am I done? I'm done. I am. I am absolutely done. Let's go back and look. Y equals mx plus b. So in this case, which we'll talk about later, negative 4 is the M, and 7 is the B, right? But that's in the right order, okay? So we took one from standard to slope. Let you guys write this thing down, okay? Everybody good? Got it? So it's going to be the same setup throughout. So look at this one. Is this slope or standard? Standard, good. Walk me through what I need to do. Add 9x, good. Cross it out, right? And remember, the order matters. So when I rewrite this, it's going to be 3y equals 9x minus 24. Everybody with me? Let me know if y'all have a question, okay? What do I do now? Good. Got to get the y by itself, right? What do I got? What's 9x divided by 3? 3x. All right, then I've got negative 24 divided by 3. Positive or negative? Good. Am I done?
Yes.
Make sure you are taking notes back there. This is exactly what we're working on, okay? Y'all need it? Hold up, I'll give it to you a little bit longer. All right? All we're doing is setting it up. That's all we're doing today, okay? Let's look at this one over here. Okay, now we've got y equals negative 5x minus 12. Slope, right? So we're done, okay? That's exactly what we wanted in. That's in slope intercept, so we're going to leave it. All right? This one's slope. Y'all with me? Some of y'all might look a little confused. We good? That's slope. That's all we're trying to do. Okay, so this one, slope or standard? Standard, right? Make sure we can identify it. So it's standard, so we need to change it to slope, right? Okay, so what do we do? Good. Subtract 5x from both sides. 6y equals negative 5x minus 18. Now what? All right. Y is by itself. And look, when we get one like this, we've got negative 5x divided by 6. Okay? Don't worry about it being an ugly fraction. That's completely okay. And once we start graphing, once we start working on our slope, you'll see why. Okay? So we're going to leave it just like this. Negative 5 over 6x. Okay? But we can reduce this next one. What's negative 18 divided by 6? Positive or negative? Well, you got a negative 18 and a positive 6, so it's going to be negative 3. Okay? Y'all are on it. Y'all are doing good. All right? So one more right here. Is this slope or standard? Right, standard. What do I do? Add 3x. Y'all are getting it. Okay. What's next? Good. Very good. This group's on it today, Coach. They're killing it. Okay, so remember, keep the ugly fractions. It's fine. Keep it as a fraction. What's 20 divided by negative 2? Negative 10. Good job. Am I done?
Yes.
I am done. Good. Okay, so does everybody have these notes? All right, feel good about it? Okay. Coach is going to set us up
right, yeah, so
We've
Coach
got a
Manley
Kahoot.
created a Kahoot for us.
Boom.
Coach Manley got after it, so I'm just gonna do it. So what y'all need to do right now is go ahead and get with a partner, and y'all need one Chromebook between the two of you. Okay, one between the two of you.
Yeah, so you guys, the one of y'all wanna work by yourself? You work by yourself? Okay, but y'all just work together, y'all just work together right here, okay? Y'all just need one Chromebook between the two of you.
All right, and the game pad is coming up.
So do I need to?